So very important to understand the power of Allah SWT. And as we know, Allah SWT is the most powerful. But in this context, in relation to the verse of Quran, clearly he is the one who is considered as the provider and the one who sustains. So meaning that to provide the air, at the same time also sustain the air forever, not for a certain period. Provide water, not for a certain period. From the very beginning of the creation of the earth until the last day, maybe downstairs or Yawm Qiyamah. So it's not so easy unless you have the power. So therefore, we understand when Allah SWT said that provide to you the provision or rizki, so meaning that He has the power to do that as the provider, as the sustainer, and the one who decide. This is the thing. To decide the water in this form, the air in this form. To decide, for example, the food. So many food with a beautiful taste, very nice taste, and very healthy, and so on. And then it's the form of God rizki. So all these are very important and considered as the power of Allah SWT. And maybe also the idea related to the environment, to meet our need. We as human beings, we have to live in this environment. And the environment that Allah SWT provides, is suitable for us to live here. You cannot find the water, you cannot find the air, oxygen as in another planet except this earth. And for this reason, Allah SWT sent Nabi Adam to this earth as a Khalifah of Allah SWT. And the environment here is suitable to us. If you find that the environment has been corrupted, this is because of human factor. We do not know how to manage properly this environment. And no doubt, this is the beauty of the environment. With clean air, with clean water, with the mountain, the hill here, with also the road. And then I would like to suggest to you, if you want to know in very beautiful explanations regarding about the characteristics of the earth, I would like to recommend you to read one of my articles that I already published many times related to Halakri, when I describe about what we call the earth, which is very significant in the life of the Quran. I mentioned there, the earth sometimes being described as Allah SWT as this and so on and so on. So that one in detail. So therefore, if you have time, you can Google about my article in order to understand more, in order to know more about what we call the most suitable place that we are here on this earth. This is the only planet that we suitable for us as human beings, and therefore indicate the power of Allah SWT.